Welcome. Join us as we craft soft, delicious Moti Chur Ladoos from premium besan and pure ghee.
The analysis confirms the quality of the raw materials. They meet our standards.
Perfect. Proceeding with the digital approval for production.
The test results are conclusive. We can approve the gram flour.
Agreed.
The Moti Chur Ladoo ingredients are certified for production.
The moisture content is exactly 12.5%.
Good, that meets the standard for the ladoo batch.
Viscosity is stable at 250 cc's.
Confirmed. Color consistency is within range. Logging the data now.
Sample 7B extracted. Texture looks good.
Agreed. Running the moisture analysis now, results coming through.
We need to increase the viscosity by 2%. Monitoring the flow rate now.
It's stabilizing. The texture is optimal.
Reading 4.2 millimeters.
Matches the requirement on the chart.
Uniformity is good. We can proceed. The pressure is fluctuating here.
I see it. Adjusting the flow rate now should stabilize the temperature. We are at 112 Celsius.
Brix is good. Let's increase the heat to stabilize the one-string stage.
The flow rate is slightly high on sector 3.
Adjusting the burner control now. Looks stable.
Is the soak consistent on this batch? It feels slightly soft.
No, the texture profile is correct. Sweetness is right on target too.
We should increase the flow rate here to stabilize the uniformity. Adjusting now.
Looks good. We are within optimal range.
Lowering zone 3 by 2 degrees. Confirmed. The target range is stable now.
See this batch here? The color saturation is off.
Yeah, definitely too pale. We need to pull these from the line.
Agreed. Only the best move to packaging.
The label alignment is slightly off here.
Yes, but the seal integrity is good. Approved for crating.
Is the Hyderabad order ready to go? Almost done. Just securing the last pallet now. Thank you for watching. We're proud to bring you fresh, soft Moti Chur Ladoos made with care. Like, share, and subscribe for more.